welcome back to the channel. Hey, welcome to Kingwood, Texas. We're here for a Pickle Festival. It's actually called In a Pickle Festival. I believe it's their 4th annual. I've never been to one before in my life, so I was kind of curious. If you are too, come on, let's go. Let's see what we can see. Y'all check this out. This has nothing to do with pickles, but it is so hot out today. I saw this sign over here at Carmen's Corn and Creations. It's a little truck that was talking about agua fresca. I was like, ooh, that sounds good on this hot day. This is a pineapple water with strawberry. Look at the pineapples on top. Look how good that looks. It is sweet. It is refreshing. It is cold. It's perfect. Good way to start the festival. I know it's not pickles, but it's pineapple. Y'all, apparently they're gonna have a pickle pet parade. So we're gonna check that out here at the beginning of the festival. Well, it's already started by the time we got here. We were here a little late. We had some technical difficulties, but check them out. Some of them have little costumes on. That's a pickle costume. Like, that one has a little pickle on his back. I'm kind of a big deal, it says. He was ready to go. Oh, look at this one. Glittery. Oh, look at that skirt. Oh no, he lost her skirt. Y'all, they have vendors everywhere, but check this out. Look how cute. The pickle theme items, that's what I'm here for. Oh, they're so cute. Look at the little pickles with the hair and the googly eyes. There's a pickle dream catcher over here on the end. But check out these up here that are just got different characters. Look at the little dog. It's shaped like a pickle. Those are so cute. Oh, they've even got bags right here. These are so cute. Let me go under here. Look at these. Look at the little teeth on these pickles. Those are cute. It says this is a pretty big deal. Pickle on a stick. Oh, adorable boxes. So cute. Little keychains. I love it. Oh my gosh. I was just looking. Look at the Santa Claus pickle, y'all. Getting ready for Christmas. Look at this guy. Oh my gosh, I love these. Pickles, pickles, pickles. Oh my gosh. The real deal. Look at the spooky pickle. So cute. I love this.
You see a little cat?
Yeah, I saw the little cat cross down here. If you don't want a pickle, you can get a little kitty cat and dog here. So cute. Y'all, this booth is called, she said, search for the name Lisa's Crosses. Totally adorable. Y'all, have y'all ever seen an emotional support pickle? This is She Drives Me Crafty. Look at these.
I found them all.
Cute. I'm guessing this is the emotional support pickle here. That's adorable. They got them in pickle jars. Y'all, they have all kinds of stuff. There's people that can pickles. They're kind of everywhere. Little food booths. We got ice cream. Of course, it's hot out here, so we got cake pops. We're trying to look for the pickle themed stuff. What's going on over here? Gingham sweets and treats. They've got candies. And of course they have pickle candies.
Rock candy? They're hard?
They're like rock candy, she says. Gonna try the pickle candy. It's weird because it's like rock candy, but it tastes, it's like you just bit into a slice of a pickle. It's good. Woo, it's strong. We got pickle art. They can do caricatures. Let's see, I just want some examples. Oh, look at this. Keep on pickling. Mr. Wally's Pickles, a bunch of canned pickles. Got some more over here. That's the name. Woo! All kinds of pickles. It's interesting. Spicy pickled red onion, typical.
And the spicy garlic.
They're all the same. I call them my plain pickles, so they're sweet and hot.
They're sweet and hot. Okay, very good. Yeah, I just sat down here to chill out. I wanted to show you what I just bought. I tasted it at her little tent. It's called Brine Queen Homemade Flame Pickles, hot and sweet. Y'all, I don't usually like spicy stuff, and it is a little spicy, but it's such a good taste on these canned pickles. And then the lady was like, well, hey, try my homemade blueberry jam. And it was really good too, so yeah, so I got some stuff already to take home with me, but that is her information right there. The jam's really good, the pickles are good. That's how you find her if you're interested. Y'all, they even have pickle bows made by Rena. Here's a little timeline of what they're doing. I think we're going to try to come, or make sure we're here at the stage at 2:30. I'd love to see the pickle eating contest, but check out their shirt. That's cute. I may have to get one of those. I love Jesus and pickles. I'll just show you this little I love pickles. It's got a little keychain, but look how cute these are. Worker bee welding caps. Cute. See, I just saw a pickle gnome. Volunteers for Animal Protection. Look how cute the pickle gnome is. Look at his face. And they've got little handkerchiefs for your dog or cat. Those are cute. Gotta relish the moment here. But I just want to show you these gnomes. Look how awesome they are. This is not your regular gnome that you find in the store. These are like custom gnomes. It's pretty neat. Y'all, check this out, the bread spot. Oh my gosh, pesto bread, dill pickle bread. I've never had it. Do y'all have any kind of samples of your bread? Oh, awesome.
Try pickle or any of the other flavors?
I do want to try pickle. I am curious.
Pickle, you want to try pickle as well?
So the pickle bread was pretty good. It was really subtle. You could barely tell that it was pickle bread. But homemade bread is always good. I don't care. I don't care what it is. I didn't get any this time, but it was tempting. What is up here? I saw some more little pickles. There's some QR codes for these folks. These look like cookies. Look at the pickle cookies. Nani cakes. Oh my gosh. Oh, they're like little bitty pickles. Pretty cute. Got all different kinds. Look at that. It's a dress. It's really cute. Here's a little fall cookie.
These are $4.
Cute.
These are
I think the longest lines of the day has to be for the lemonade stands. Because it's really hot. What's an El Dirty Pickle? Looks like it's got tahini on there. I'm not sure what that is. Flavored pickles. What is that? Oh, that looks like cotton candy wrapped pickles. I don't know about that. Oh, look at those. How cute. The little dragons. He's got like a little strawberry. That's cute. And one's holding a taco. That is so cute. Oh, pickle rocks. I love it. Hello. Of course, we can't come to a pickle festival without seeing Pickle Rick. Here's the name of the shop with those cute little dragons and some of the pickle merch. I'm better pickled. Check this out, Rose Pug Honey Farm. They, of course, have honey and stuff, but they also have soaps. Do they have pickle soaps? Oh, that's a little green bee. I love how they have their stuff decorated, though. It's pretty cute. Got the pickle shirts. Now check out all the pickle cups here. She's got Pickle Rick.
Huh?
Paint me green and call me a pickle because I'm done dealing with people. Okay.
You know what? I think Kingwood would want
They've got,
one of the Whataburger ones.
are these for Crocs? I'm not sure. The one with the little button on the bag. Is that for Crocs? I love pickles. It's got like a little Pickle Rick. And look at the little sippy cups. Oh. Okay, that's funny. What does this one say? Just dealing. Pickle Rick. Rick and Morty Special Edition Pringle Cup.
You're only getting one.
This is what I need. Forget the pickle juice. Just give me a Dr. Pepper sippy and I'll be happy. Got a pickle eating competition between the kiddos.
Stick those hands up in the air. That's how I'm gonna know who won, okay? And the judges. So as soon as y'all are done finished eating that pickle, you put your hands up in the air, okay? But not till you swallow that last bite. 1, 2, 3, go!
Yeah, we're about to see the pickle eating contest. This is the adult division. Look at all these pickles I have to eat. Y'all. It's gonna be crazy.
All right. Guys, this is about 3 pounds of pickles in those bags. We weighed them out to make sure each one of them were the same weight. In case something looks close, I also brought the scale to weigh out, okay? So this is what's gonna happen. We're gonna set a timer for 4 minutes. If somebody beats the 4 minutes, that's the winner. Or whoever has eaten the most within 4 minutes is the winner, okay? So whenever I say go, it's gonna be the time to go, not 3, just on go. Also, there's no regurgitating, no spillage, no droppage, or you will be disqualified. All right. Y'all ready? Everybody got judges? Y'all ready over there? All right. 1, 2, 3, go!
What's a good pickle eating song? We should do like some Kid Rock or something like that. Wow, it's a ball to play the tape. Are we getting close? Is anybody getting close? Oh, we're at the timer. Here we go. It's the home stretch. You got 1 minute, 10 seconds. No puking. What were all the rules up here? Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pickles. Winners today, because we just got to witness a bunch of adults shove pickles into their mouth.
Maybe the guy at the very end that we could barely see.
With a world of trouble on my mind. Nothing more in love with you won't blow my cover. Take it easy.
Y'all check out the trophies, the awards for the contest. I just wanted to look at the trophy. Look at the little symbol there in the middle. Those are pretty neat. Alright, thank y'all so much for watching this episode at the In a Pickle Festival here in Kingwood. We had a good time. It was something completely different than what I'm used to. I've never been to a pickle festival before. I guess really my only complaint is I wish there was more food items like involving pickles instead of the candied stuff. There were some fried pickles there, but you can pretty much get those anywhere. Okay, so I kind of wish there was a little bit more food variety, but all of the crafts and stuff was really cute. So, and of course the pickle eating contest was my favorite. So thank y'all so much for watching. I hope that you'll come back and see where we wander to next. Until then, I'm going to get in some air conditioning, so we'll see you then. Bye.